Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your blockchain account. First of all, make sure you have already installed here and created your account in blockchain. Let's get started. The first step is to open your blockchain app. Now, enter the PIN that you have used while creating your account. After you have entered your PIN, you can go to the home screen, and on the top left, you can see the profile option. Click on the profile option. Now, in the security menu, you can see the delete account option. Click on the delete account option. Now, in the red box, you can see the delete account option. Click on it. Once you click on the delete account option, a new page will open where you have to type delete my account to confirm. Once you type delete my account, you can click on the delete account option. This is how you delete your account permanently in the blockchain app. But if you want to remove your blockchain app as well, do a long tap on a blockchain app. Then you can see three options. Click on remove app and then delete app. This is how you delete your blockchain app permanently. Thank you for watching. To like and subscribe for more videos.